Okay, we're on something called Jefferson Avenue, which is in Detroit. So we just we're gonna drive down it towards something called let's see, we're going to Indian Village, which is a neighborhood in Detroit, and we're just gonna go directly down it and just kind of check it all out and see what's all here. So so stay tuned for that. And we are in Detroit, and we're gonna take some roads and just drive through them. And this one is gonna be Jefferson. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are on Jefferson. So there's kind of maybe we'll get in the right lane so we can kind of focus on one side of the street or the other. There's a crystal shop and a Bates taco shop. And Jefferson, not too behind me is Grosse Pointe. There's kind of a suburb over there. So there's Grosse Pointe Woods, Grosse Pointe Farms, Grosse Pointe Park, Grosse Pointe itself. And so we're basically, Jefferson is on the Detroit side, coming from that suburb. So where we started at was just at the edge of that. I did do another video not too long ago where I did Chalmers Street. But this one this is more of a commercial street. And yep, I'm going to go towards Indian Village and give you an idea of what Detroit looks like in 2023. There's a walker there. And yeah, Jefferson East. Jefferson East. Detroit's Coney Island. They got lots of Coney Island hot dog kind of stuff everywhere in Detroit. You'll also have some Detroit style pizzas in different places as well. And over here we have Dollar Tree, Rent-A-Center, kind of a almost suburban looking complex. So I don't know how new that is, but this particular part of Detroit is not too bad. It's there's good areas and bad areas. I think this area is to the left. It goes towards the lake, and actually that looks pretty good. So we're gonna show you more. I think we got our green light coming up pretty soon. There it is. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Like that building, there's no windows. Don't know what happened to all the windows. Looks like they're all blocked out. I guess there's a lot of abandoned buildings, so that must be something connected to that. Flashing red light. There's some construction to the left here. And I guess looks like people are kind of slowing and then continuing. So I'll do the same. Oops, I guess I saw that the guy blocked the other traffic coming the opposite way to let the older gentleman cross the street who had the cane. But I don't know if that was related to me or not. It's not like my lane looks like everything is fine. Live Detroit, now rec plus 21. Oh, that's cannabis company. Chrysler and Dodge and the gas station over to the right. And we got another green light. I'm not going to move the camera to left and right, but to the left there's the Coney Island. So Coney Island hot dogs are very popular. And over here to the left, that building, I don't know, that looks kind of cool though. Let me just see if I'll move it over there a little bit. I don't know what that is exactly. The Trespassers pumping station, okay. It's like kind of a little bit of an industrial. So to the right there's also some, I see some, it's like car kind of stuff and such. This is Jefferson. This actually goes all the way downtown, but I'm going to take it to Indian Village. But at the moment it looks like more like factories, but then when we get up here a little bit further it'll change. Let's see. So we're not too far from Indian Village. We're going to go into something called East Village now. Just behind me was Jefferson Chalmers, which was a neighborhood. I did drive around in that neighborhood. It looks pretty cool. I didn't take the camera out. I'm a little bit battery concerned, so I was thinking I might just do some streets instead, some main streets. I might do some neighborhoods later. Let's see. Legends Grill, nice car. We got some more kind of commercial district, Riverside Center. Dollar store. It's all right. So, okay, let me see. I think that's a post office right there, I think, or a school. Rosa's Fine Wine. Metro Lodge. So I don't know how long. Oh, downtown is coming up as well. Straight down that way. But we're also getting near Indian Village as well. Sinbad's Restaurant and Marina at the river. So all kinds of interesting stuff. So let's see, kind of going into something called West Village. So we got East Village and West Village to the both sides, and we're kind of going towards Indian Village. So I don't know. Maybe I might just go a little bit further, or I might end it. Well, maybe we'll just end it right there. So that's Jefferson Avenue, and we're kind of coming in. We'll stop at the next red light. Maybe we'll do that. That sounds more fair. Neighborhood though? A lot of interesting neighborhoods. I don't know if I should do streets or neighborhoods. Maybe I should do neighborhoods. But anyways, we're on Jefferson Avenue. And it looks like we're gonna come up to another red light, and I think I am gonna save my battery and kind of maybe tune to more neighborhoods instead. So there we go. Jefferson Avenue in Detroit. Jefferson East Avenue. Okay, I realize we missed a lot, but this is actually Jefferson as well, but we're in the downtown area. So kind of feel obligated to at least continue on and give you a little bit more of it. Downtown. Jefferson Avenue, exit only. Alright, so we're going to go underneath. Pretty cool. So yeah, anyways, thought I'd give you a little bit more Jefferson. Hopefully I added to the other one. I may or may not. I'm not sure if I will or not. But that's the intention. We're basically just going through downtown right now. And I'm going to Corktown. So we're going to end it from Jefferson.